everyone. With this video, we will get introduction of the world's first quad camera smartphone. Yes, the Samsung's new Galaxy A9. Now have 4x fun with the world's first 4x camera, the Samsung Galaxy A9. Now take advantage of the hypermobile lifestyle with the colorful Galaxy A9. Easily capture beautiful photos with the world's first quad lens camera. Immerse yourself in the large 6.3-inch infinity display. Thanks to the sleek ergonomic design, your hand stays comfortable as you stay connected. Want to know more? Then let's take a closer look at the new Samsung Galaxy A9. It has smooth curved corners that ensure the phone is a pleasure to hold, and a stunning metal frame in 3D rear glass. On the front, the device is protected by strong scratch-resistant glass protecting Samsung's iconic infinity display. The Galaxy A9 is a convenient size, measuring 162.5 into 77 into 7.8 mm. Not too large and not too thick. It sits perfectly in the hand while housing a notable 6.3-inch screen. It's a lightweight smartphone as well as at 183 grams. The 6.3-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity display has been created to deliver a truly immersive viewing experience. Whether you are in dark environment or outside in a bright sunlight, you can expect nothing less than an amazing detailed photo with rich, vivid colors and a sharp contrast. The main camera comes in at 24 megapixel with an f1.7 aperture to ensure that images are bright and always crystal clear. On top of this, there is the 10 megapixel telephoto camera, ideal for when you need to zoom, and a 5 megapixel camera with a f2.2 lens for capturing depth into your shots. You will find the 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera. With a 120-degree lens, you will be able to squeeze even more of the action into one shot. The 24 megapixel selfie camera will always find your good side. Photos will look so flawless, you might even want to ditch the filters. The Samsung Galaxy A9 has an impressive 6 GB RAM on board. This is combined with Android Oreo and an octa-core processor ensures an uninterrupted, seamless performance whether you are playing next-generation games or just browsing social media. When it comes to storage, you won't find yourself falling short either. Alongside the internal 128 GB available, you will also have the option to expand the handset to 512 GB with a micro SD. Perfect if you're into shooting videos on your phone. Coming in at a sizable 3800 mAh, you can expect power all day long. So this is the introduction of the world's first quad-camera smartphone, Samsung's new Galaxy A9. Hope this video was a great help. Thank you for watching.